In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix vMix error attempted to read or write to protected memory. Now, when you encounter this problem, this basically means that we need to update our graphics drivers. First things first, you want to head over to your internet browser, and from here you simply want to search for your graphics card brand. In my case, I'm using an NVIDIA, so I'll search for NVIDIA drivers, and then we want to head over to the official website and download our drivers from here. Now, the second thing that you'll want to do is to update your vMix application, and you also want to update your Windows. So you want to head over to the Windows logo, search for check for updates, and from here you want to make sure that you are using the latest version of Windows to your computer. Now, you also want to check for some hardware encoding conflicts. Basically, if the error occurs with the MP4 recording, you want to untick the use hardware encoder in the recording settings. And lastly, you want to restart your computer. A simple restart can resolve temporary memory corruption. Now, if all of this method did not work, I recommend to clean your old registry files. You want to use a cleanup utility to remove remnants of older vMix versions, or you can just head over to the add or remove programs right here, completely uninstall vMix, and then you want to reinstall the application back to your computer using the official vMix website. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.